The air tastes like silver rain. A thread of mist winds through my brain. Is that a shadow or just my name? The ground hums low, it knows my feet. A rhythm soft but incomplete. Branches arch where secrets meet. Whispers in the pines they call. Low and slow they rise and fall. I don't know, but I want it all. 1,000 leaves begin to blink. 1,000 stars begin to sing. Do they see me or just fleeting? A path appears, then fades away. I chase the glow, I hear